time. Now back to mine. Ooh, they say there you go, nigga, better watch your hoe. Ooh, they say there you go, nigga, better hide your dough. Ooh, they say there you go, nigga, better lock it low. Ooh, they say there you go, but I can't even get you though. I ain't playing with you niggas, cause I'm back now, nigga. Y'all some recession, but it's something niggas stressing, nigga. I ain't got time for playing games with these lanes. These niggas might be suckers, man, they all lame brains. I'm back up on the scene, nigga, about to take over. You see me in this thing, nigga, nah, it ain't no rover. I'm hella fucking sober, nigga, they had me in this cage. Now back up in your shit, nigga, front to the stage, nigga. Hating ass niggas need to get the fuck up out the way. Cause I'm about to pull the K and gone head mercy say. I ain't got no time for no motherfucking bullshit. Niggas only sticking and shit, niggas getting found in this. I ain't got no motherfucking love for you hoes. And you niggas already know that you niggas been exposed. With that bullshit y'all been playing with me while I'm gone. Nigga, I'm back fucking home. Now you know this shit is on.